Okay, here comes our practice 84. So looking at this, the first 4 problems, it asks you to tell how many terms there are and then name it as monomial, binomial, trinomial. So automatically I'm looking at it and I'm going, there's 1 term, 2 terms, because it has a symbol that's with it. Here's 1, there's another one, and there's another one. Okay, so I can start to see how many there are. This one is a little tricky because it has more than 1 variable, but guess what? There's no symbol dividing one group from another. So it counts as all 1 term. Okay, and so you should have come up with binomial, trinomial, monomial, and binomial. Okay, all right, so this one, I'm going to skip I'm doing the commutative and the associative step at the same time. Okay. So here we go. I'm looking for squared numbers first. I always pull those up. Okay, so I get 2a squared plus the a squared plus a 3a minus an a. Okay, and then I just lump them together to this. Okay, this would be a good time to tune in on the Tuesday and Thursday calls and see if you have any questions. We can go through them. All right, so this one, the xy, remember how I said if it doesn't have a exponent, you're going to look for any with 2 variables, and these happen to have 2 variables. So I'm going to do a 5xy plus the xy plus a negative 2x minus an x, and then I just start lumping them. 5 of them plus 1 is 6, and a negative 2 and a negative 1 is a negative 3. Okay, all right, so looking at this one, let's see how we did. Okay, so this one has 3 different groupings. We have 2x squared right here, plus x squared, plus there's only 1 x, and that's fine, minus 5 plus 3. And then we group them. Okay, and minus 5, negative 5 plus 3 is a negative 2, and then we write it all as one expression. Okay, last one, 3 pi plus 1.4 minus pi plus 2.8. So I group them. These are just the same as variables. They count. They are as a number, but it's a symbol. Okay, so I have 3 of them minus 1 gives me 2, and then I have my decimal that I add together.